Hello there. Welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live on the Gist today. Popular televangelist TV Joshua is dead. Let's check out details. The pastor of the Synagogue Church of All Nations in Lagos, Prophet TB Joshua, has died at the age of 57. This was announced in a statement titled Prophet TB Joshua, June 12, 1963 to June 5, 2021, issued on the verified Facebook page of his ministries on Sunday. The statement said, on Saturday, 5th June 2021, Prophet TB Joshua spoke during the Emmanuel TV Partners meeting. Time for everything. Time to come here for prayer and time to return home after the service. Statement further said, God has taken his servant, Prophet TB Joshua, home, as it should be by divine will. His last moment on earth was spent in the service of God. This is what he was known for, lived for, and died for. As Prophet TB Joshua says, the greatest way to use your life is to spend it on something that will outlive it. Prophet TB Joshua leaves a legacy of service and sacrifice to God's kingdom that is living for generations yet unborn. The Synagogue Church of All Nations and Emmanuel TV family appreciate your love, prayers, and concern at this time and request a time of privacy for the family. Here are the Prophet TB Joshua's last words: watch and pray. Pastor TB Joshua was born on the 12th of June 1963, born with the name Temitope Balogun Joshua. He was a Nigerian charismatic pastor, televangelist, and philanthropist. The church, Synagogue Church of All Nations, which he founded, is a Christian mega church that runs the Emmanuel TV television station from Lagos. Joshua was known for his popularity across Africa and Latin America, and his social media presence has 3.5 million fans on Facebook, has over 1 million subscribers, and was the world's most viewed Christian ministry on the platform before it was suspended. He is known for several controversial issues, especially his relationship with other pastors, and of course at some point was blacklisted by the government of Cameroon in 2010 and termed a son of the devil. In 2011, several media houses in the UK reported that at least 3 people in London with HIV died after they stopped taking their life-saving drugs on the advice of the pastor. On September 14, 2015, it was reported that TB Joshua secretly purchased a $60 million Gulfstream G550 private jet, which he later dismissed as rumors. Also in 2014, it was reported that a Boko Haram member came to the church with the intention of bombing the church, but did not succeed due to the prayers of TB Joshua and later confessed. The confession of the Boko Haram member went viral on YouTube and gained a lot of criticism. In the same 2014, a guest house collapsed at the Synagogue Church of All Nations premises in Lagos, killing at least 155 people, 84 of them which are South Africans. This drew a lot of controversy in Nigeria, with a lot of people asking the Nigerian government to investigate the situation. The church was closed for some time, but later it was open, and the former Nigerian Minister of Aviation Femi Fani-Kayode alleged that Nigeria's intelligence agencies blew up the building. TB Joshua was married to Evelyn Joshua and had 3 children. He, however, died on Saturday, 5th June 2021 after one of his evening service in Lagos. He died at the age of 57. However, the cause of death is yet to be reviewed by the family or the church. Since the news broke, a lot of people have penned different things on Twitter. Let's check out some of them. Oloyede Wife for You says, "Rest on. I'm sure you've done your best. Thanks for the philanthropic acts. Prophet TB Joshua, June 12, 1963 to June 5, 2021. Once again, rest on." Boja Media says, TB Joshua was the most influential pastor in the history of Nigeria. He gave his all to the less privileged. It's a dark Sunday. Otila Anna Masimbada says, I can't dissociate TB Joshua from the violence of some of his evangelism, nor for the lack of accountability for the 115 people that died on 12 September 2014, nor how his church training pushed someone I knew to suicide for the many lives altered. Elvis Tunde says, whether you like him or not, Prophet TB Joshua was a good man, who touched the lives of so many people. May his soul rest in peace. Tiana Ladip says, I'm sorry, but when this man was alive, a lot of people criticized him. Many people said he was doing fake miracles. He's dead today, and everyone is talking about how much of a philanthropist and amazing prophet he was. In this life, just do you. May TB Joshua's soul rest in peace. Well guys, we also pray that his soul rests in peace, but before we go, let's check out one of his most popular predictions.
God showed me this vision, not sitting down writing an article. This is not press conference. This is a vision I saw. Carry your youth along. I'm seeing a revolution. When I say revolution, I mean every revolution starts by protest. When it starts by protest, at that protest, the power can stop them. They have the ability to stop them. But when it becomes revolution, no one can stop revolution. Revolution means everyone is ready to go for it. I repeat again. I'm seeing what? A revolution. I'm seeing people taken to the streets. At the beginning of that protest, instead of revolution, I said protest is a parable. Yeah, because when it started, you think it's a protest.
In another video released recently, which was supposed to be for his birthday celebration on the 12th of June, TB Joshua was seen wishing himself a happy birthday ahead and telling people that he will be unable to celebrate his birthday due to the circumstances in the world. Let's check out what we have for you today on Trending. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.